How to activate your Windows with digital license. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reactivate your Windows after you have just made a hardware change. Now, let's get started. First of all, head over to your settings. After you head over to your settings, you should go to System right here and then scroll down. After you scroll down, you'll see the activation option. Tap on activation and right here you will see your activation status. If it says active, your Windows is activated. If it's not active, if the status is red and it says not active, what you'll then need to do is you'll get an option that says reactivate under here. Tap on reactivate, and after you tap on reactivate, you should get an option like something like this. As you can see, troubleshooting has completed. You'll need to troubleshoot too, and then you'll get an option that says I recently changed hardware on this device. After you tap on this, what will happen is you'll get to choose your device. Simply select your device and there will be a checkbox saying that you're using this device currently. Make sure that you check that on and then simply hit enter and go through that process and your Windows will get activated. And it's that simple guys, and that is how you reactivate your Windows after a hardware change. And yeah, that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.